Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be making a vegan chocolate super protein shake. And we're going to be using, if you didn't see my video that I made last week, we made strawberry infused homemade almond milk right here. We're going to be using that today in our recipe. So if you haven't seen that video, you might want to go back and watch that. However, if you don't want to make your own almond milk, that's perfectly fine. Buy some at the store. But today is a very, very nutritious, delicious chocolate protein shake, essentially. And it is vegan. And so let me show you what we're going to be using today. Now, of course, is my favorite part of the video, and that is where, well, I've already drank half of this. So this is a vegan protein chocolate shake. This is gluten-free, it's delicious, it's refreshing, it's extremely healthy for you, and it doesn't cost that much to make. I mean, you can buy chia seeds and flax seeds for fairly inexpensive, and to make your own almond milk, which you can get from the store or you can make it yourself, and make this, I'd encourage you, make this shake. You will not be disappointed. It is tasty, but most of all, it's really customizable. Like, if you want to put more cocoa powder in it, put more cocoa powder in it. We'll give it a little bit more sweeter flavor. If you want to put more dates, more bananas, more seeds, whatever. You don't have to stick to the exact measurements that I used. It's all really up to your own preference, but those are what you use, combine, blend, and drink. You can never go wrong with plant-based drinks, meals, or substitutes that actually taste really, really good. And this drink is one of those things. Thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.